Halloween is just around the corner, and we thought we would try making some mummy cake pops. The ingredients you'll need are 1 box of yellow cake mix, 1 cup of vanilla frosting, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cups of sprinkles, about 16 lollipop sticks, 36 ounces of white candy melt, and 1 ounce of black non-perils for the eyes. First step is to make the cake mix. Follow the instructions on the box for how to prepare and bake the cake. I added the sprinkles during this process, but don't repeat the same mistake I made. You should add it in the next step instead. Once your cake is out of the oven, let it cool. Then you can start to crumble your cake into pieces. After you finish crumbling your cake, you can start mixing in the frosting little by little. Once done, you can start to add in your sprinkles. Again, make sure to add the sprinkles here, because if you add it in any earlier, it could dissolve and make your cake a different color like it did mine. Then grab about 1 to 2 tablespoons of cake, depending on how big you want your cake balls, and start rolling them into balls. After about an hour, take out your cake balls. For this next step, you'll need your lollipop sticks and a bit of candy melt. Take your lollipop stick and dip the top into the candy melt and then pierce them into each cake ball. Then melt the rest of the candy melts. It's best to melt them in a glass measuring cup since it's deep enough to dip the whole cake pop. Now, candy melts can be a bit tricky. I ran into this problem where the candy melt was too thick. If this happens, use vegetable shortening to thin it out. Make sure to put on your eyeballs right after dipping each one. Once they have hardened a bit, you can start to drizzle some more of the candy melt onto the cake pop in order to give it that mummy look. And that's it! Mine didn't really come out as expected visually, but they tasted good. Hopefully yours comes out better. Please share, like, and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.